What you will need: a Karcher high pressure cleaner and accessories. Step 1. Move all decorative items and furniture away from the area where you'll be cleaning. Keep the extension cord out of the water, covering the surface where you are cleaning. Step 2. Keep the power off at the wall socket. Plug the high pressure cleaner into the extension rail that is plugged in at the wall. Then, with the water turned off at the tap, attach the hose pipe into the fitting and plug it in at the tap as well as the high pressure cleaner. Step 3. Fill the foam nozzle bottle with Petio and Duck Cleaner concentrate and attach it into the high pressure gun. Step 4. Turn the plug on at the wall switch and then only turn the tap on. Turn the Karcher high pressure cleaner on by the on and off switch on the washer itself and check the pressure coming through the pipe by squeezing the trigger. Step 5. Cover the surface well with the cleaner. Switch the Karcher high pressure cleaner off at the on and off switch on the washer itself before removing the foam bottle and replacing it with the high pressure gun. Step 6. Switch the Karcher high pressure cleaner on and again and start spraying the area well. The more stubborn the debris, dirt or grime, the closer you'll put the gun to the surface. Repeat the process on most stubborn areas until you are satisfied with the results. For more expert advice on various cleaning solutions, visit your nearest Chamberlain's hardware store.